Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing some more decluttering and organizing throughout my house. I did one of these videos about 2 weeks ago, but in that video I only decluttered one room, and that was the boys' room. So I've got the rest of the house to work on. So today we're going to be decluttering and organizing just a bunch of random hall closets and drawers and cabinets. So hopefully this video can give you some organization and decluttering motivation. So I hope that you guys enjoy, and let's just get straight into this. The first area that I'm going to tackle is this hall closet. It just has like coats, the vacuum, my cello case, but there's just a bunch of stuff just thrown back in there. The shelves aren't organized, there's coats on the floor. So we're gonna work on getting this organized first. I'll try to get some more light shining over here so it's not so dark. Okay, so I got the top two shelves organized, got rid of a few things. I also organized these coats, hung up the ones that were on the floor, put some in the washer, got rid of a few. And then I organized all this down here, and I have to keep all of these boxes stored in the back for now because I'm not sure where else I'm going to put them. We don't have an attic or a basement or a garage to store stuff in, so I just kind of have to make my closets work. Got the ironing board, the vacuum in here, I cleaned the floor. And I also wanted to share this with you real quick before I keep on decluttering. When I am decluttering, organizing, cleaning out closets and stuff and trying to get rid of things, I always make 3 different piles. So I have the trash pile, I have the donation pile, and then I have the sell pile. This spray mop is broke and this tripod is broke, if you're wondering why they're in the trash pile, and I'm going to be donating all of that to Goodwill. And right now my stuff to sell pile is kind of small, but that's definitely going to be getting a lot bigger the more decluttering that I do. And 4 of those items that I had in that pile of stuff to sell are clothing items from my closet, because the other day I went through my bedroom and my closet and I decluttered and I organized it. My closet was so messy, it was in need of it really bad. I'm going to be posting these items in my Poshmark store, and if you want to shop my Poshmark store, then you can download the Poshmark app for free with my link. I'll have it down in the description box. And I also want to mention that Poshmark is sponsoring today's video, so a big thank you to them. I'll have my Poshmark name come up here on the screen, and I'll also have it typed up down below. You guys can go and shop my closet. I'm sure I'll be posting more items on there in the future. The first one is this long denim skirt. It goes all the way to the floor for me, and this one is a size 11 and the brand is Rewind. If you've been looking for a workout skirt, then you definitely need to go and snag this workout skirt that I'm going to be posting on there. This is a Nike brand fitness skirt. It still has the tag on it, so it is brand new. Next item is this Maurice's denim jacket. This is a size medium too. It's definitely in perfect condition, so if you're a size medium and you're looking for a denim jacket, definitely go and check this out. Lastly, I will be posting this brand new blue maxi dress for sale. I never wore this, I just tried it on and it was too small, ordered it online. It is a size small, it has 3/4 length sleeves, it has an elastic waist, and it does come with a matching tie to tie around the waist. The material is really soft. It's a really pretty blue maxi dress. So if you want to shop those items, head down to the description box, click the link and download the Poshmark app for free, and I will also have my Poshmark name typed up down there as well. Thank you again to Poshmark for sponsoring this video. So I got all 3 of the hall closets cleaned out and organized and decluttered, and my piles out here of stuff to get rid of has grown tremendously. This pile right here is stuff that I'm going to sell. This pile is trash. This pile is donation. Also, whatever I can't sell out of this pile, I'm just going to donate it so I can just get rid of it. Next, I'm going to work on cleaning out these 4 drawers here by the fridge. These drawers are just so packed full of stuff and they're so unorganized. Okay, so now I've got all of these cleaned out and organized. I was able to throw away a lot of stuff and get them a little bit less junky. There still is quite a lot of stuff in here, but now it's organized a little bit better. And these blue containers are from the Dollar Tree. You can get these ones in like a pack of 2 or 3, I think, for $1. I think it's 3 for $1. And then they have these big ones in 2 for $1. And these big ones are perfect to fit pens. And we have so many pens and probably only half of these work. I probably should just throw half of them away, but oh well. Then in the second drawer, we keep things like screwdrivers, glue, screws, different things like that. I mean, this one isn't perfectly organized, but it's still a lot better than it was before. At least I can open up these drawers. This third one has a lot of random things like batteries, tissues, extension cords. And then this bottom one is pretty much empty. We just have the boys' Play-Doh. Up here is the magnets for the fridge, and then their remote control car is supposed to go right here with the remote. So the last thing that I'm going to declutter and organize today is this cabinet right here, and it's underneath my coffee station. There's just so much stuff crammed in here, and if it was better organized, I could fit more stuff in here. So we're going to work on here lastly, and then I'm quitting for the day because I'm really tired. Okay, so I'm done decluttering and organizing for the day. There's a lot more decluttering and organizing to do in this house, but I am tired. I'm done for the day, and I would say that I got a lot done. I've got 3 pretty big piles here. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and it gave you some motivation and inspiration to get your house decluttered and organized. Let me know down in the comments if you've been doing any decluttering so far this year. And don't forget to click the link down in the description box to go and download the Poshmark app for free so that you can shop all of the items that I have for sale over there. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye!